I think I really will. So after many months of working on this car, going through all the issues that it had when I bought it, slowly knocking each one out, getting each one fixed, the car is completely where it needs to be. Everything is working. We don't have any dash lights, as you can see there. Today, I'm going to be taking this down to a local drag strip, which is about an hour away. I'm going to see what kind of times it can put down. It'll be cool to see what it'll do with the full E85. I have not done any quarter-mile runs since I've gone E85 with the new upgraded fuel pumps, the Walbro 255s. So I really don't know what it's going to run. I do, however, have the Draggy, and I did a few runs shortly after I got the car when it was still completely stock as far as tuning goes, and I was doing right around a 12.6 at about 116. I think was about my best run, and that was on a street with street tires. So I'm going to be running the same tires as I was then, although they're a little bit worse shape. Actually, they're completely shot. So I know hooking is going to be a little bit of an issue, but today's mostly going to be for the fun of it. Hopefully get some, just kind of get a feel for the car, how to get it to launch, where to shift, all that stuff, and build from there. So let's roll here. We got about an hour to go, and we'll catch you at the drag strip. Alright, so we are out here getting fueled up on the good stuff. Got that E85 going in. Look at that, $1.99 a gallon. Made it. We are now at the drag strip, sitting in the lanes currently, waiting on my turn, so hopefully this will be a good run. Horribly on that one, had to lift and get back in, so definitely not gonna have a good time on that one, but we'll try again next time. far it's the best. Pretty happy with this. At this point I've matched my street time that I ran on 91 when it was about 50 degrees outside. So far I'm pretty happy. Still really working on my launch with these tires. It's making it really difficult. Second pass, completely blew the tires off. This time I hooked pretty good. It was a little sluggish, but I did hook. Best 60 foot, it's almost exact copy of my street time. Got a 2/160 foot, 8th mile 8.3, and quarter 12.6 at 116. So definitely happy with that. Hopefully it will get better as it cools off. Spun like crazy again. Transmission is incredibly hard to launch with these tires. Alright, so totally blew the tires off again. Probably about the best I'll be able to run today, but I'm gonna keep trying, probably wait a little bit till it cools off and try to get a couple runs in again when it's a little cooler. Like to at least get a 12.5, but not sure we're going to be able to get that lucky tonight. It seems we're pretty stuck at the 12.6. Oh yeah, check it out. That's what we were looking for. That is exactly what I was looking for. 12.598 at 115.9. Best 60 foot of the day so far at a 2094. Not bad. to you Mustang owners. You guys are holding it down, it looks like. Wow. Shoot, my launching sucks. He ran a 13.3 at 112, and I ran a 12.7 at 113. But he got me on the reaction. You see here. You can see there. So, yeah, I need some grip. Alright, so almost home from the track. It was an awesome day. I had a lot of fun. Didn't quite run the times that I wanted it to, although I did know I wouldn't be near as good as I wanted it to because of the tires I got. If we look under here, you can see those tires are completely shot down on the wear bars. So yeah, just nothing you can do about that. Best 60 foot I was able to cut with them was a 2.0. Right about, most of them are a 2.1. If I tried any more than that, I'd just spin the tires. So happy with my trap speed. Was averaging right very consistent between 114 and 116. I think majority of them right at 115. So very happy with that. So we'll get some tires on it and I'll probably be trying it again. So thanks for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more action like this in the future. And probably a lot more fueling clips because, yeah, it has a drinking problem. Not bad, about 7 miles to the gallon.